Greetings from CPHI Milan. I'm Kugel, the director at Qualistory, and joining me today is Giovanni, Nocita, the sales director at Omag. Omag, with 50 years of experience in the packaging industry, specializing in designing and developing customized packaging machines and production lines for various sectors, including food and pharmaceuticals, taking the customer satisfaction and flexibility in mind. Hello, Giovanni.
Hello.
So, Giovanni, could you provide some insights into how Omag has adapted and grown over its 50 years in the packaging industry, particularly highlighting the impact the company has had on the pharmaceutical sector?
Yes, sure. Good morning, my friends. Omag is a company established in 1973, producing different kind of primary packaging machines. We are specialized in the design and manufacturing of vertical, continuous and intermittent motion machines, multi-lanes for monodoses, like 4-side sealed sachet, 3-side and stick pack. We started designing or looking at our machines for pharmaceutical industries at the end of 19, and we understood immediately that the request from the pharmaceutical industry was to look at machines with very high efficiency, but especially designed for nice and easy access for the operator. Any operator to work very, very well needs to find an easy way to manage the packaging machines. And Omag offered this proposal. We are specialized in a very clean design of the machines. All the parts in contact with the product are in stainless steel 360L manufacturing. Omag has its own site to produce the most of the parts of the machine, and especially all the parts in contact with the product, to be sure that there is an easy traceability of the materials used for.
And how does Omag customize its packaging solutions to meet the stringent requirements of the pharmaceutical industry while ensuring product safety, compliance, and efficiency in the packaging of the pharmaceutical products?
Yeah, the pharmaceutical industry is looking day by day at machines that can produce with efficiency. And between our solutions, as I said, about vertical and horizontal machines, intermittent and continuous motion, we have an accurate design of the dosing systems for powders, liquids, gel, capsules, creams, and accurate design of the sealing groups. So the sealing of the monodoses sachet is really, really important. The weight is there is an high restriction on that. The cutting units. And in order to be efficient, we improved especially our service department with a big investment, because proposing to customers a kind of maintenance program, remote assistance, any kind of augmented reality, efficiency in the energy used by the machines. So our customers with an Omag solution can be sure that all the team in Omag will have a special look to them for the maintenance, the easy use of the machine, in order to have a very high efficiency of that.
In the ever-evolving pharmaceutical landscape, what trends do you see shaping the future of packaging solutions, and how is Omag adapting to meet those changing demands?
Yeah, our customers just from many years started asking to us to supply special and complete solutions for the pharmaceutical industry. For that, Omag, after long cooperations with many partners for secondary packaging machines, started producing its own secondary packaging machines like cartoning machines to supply to customers and offer special solution not only to produce the monodoses sachet and stick pack, but also to count controls and fill the cartons, the boxes with that. So Omag is a unique supplier of complete lines to manage to handle easily the sachet and the sticks count and fill cartons into different proposals. The first one is using an erecting and closing machine so that we can fill sticks and sachet into the carton by top load. And the second one is the classic horizontal cartoning machine in order to have a side load of the sachet and stick pack into the carton. At least, not because less important, Omag can supply also complete solutions to control the weight of each single sachet and stick pack in direct connection with the robot handling and the cartoning machines.
And looking ahead, what innovative developments or technologies is Omag exploring to stay at the forefront of the pharmaceutical packaging sector, and how do these align with the company's vision for the future?
Yeah, the future for sure is our door to the pharmaceutical market, the main entrance. And the fact that Omag today can supply complete solutions gave also us the chance to look at special projects. Recently, for example, we did a kind of box like that where we can fill with sachet and stick pack, but we have also special solution, for example, in that case, to fill a top load box like that with a blister and a booklet. So in that special project, for example, we took care of collect vials, check the color of the cap, check that the blister pre-made was in a good condition to be filled, control the syringes and the packaging that was correct, and finally put in the box in a number of 1, 3, 5 and 10, and put the booklet too. So as I said, Omag cannot supply only 4-side sealed sachet or stick pack for liquid and powder, but also complete solution for a complete packaging in pre-glued boxes or from flat blank with the top load. Omag internally produces also all the documentation, so we can supply any kind of validation documents, maintenance book, spare parts, but also EQQ validation, CFR21, and any kind of documentation could be needed or collected for our pharmaceutical customers.
Thank you very much, Giovanni.
Thank you to you.
Very interesting, fascinating, and I wish you and Omag best of luck in the future.
Thank you. It was my pleasure.